Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thanks.
Hello, Jason. How are you?
Hello. Fine.
Okay. So, please tell me what you do. What is your company?
Our company is the name is Lian Fa. Uh, already have 30 years experience
Okay,
uh, on the wire and cable products.
okay. Is it you?
It's
You are the
one of
I'm sorry. You are the founder, or you're not the founder?
no. I'm the father. My father.
Okay. Yeah,
Father is the founder.
you are a little young for this then. 20 years.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay.
Uh, yeah. Yeah, we beginning we make the wire and cables. And about 15
Mm.
years ago, we involved in the automotive industry to make some accessories like the booster cables, uh,
Okay,
the tow ropes,
okay,
uh, yeah, and some wire cables,
okay,
yeah,
okay,
for the automotive industry.
okay. So
And some yeah, yeah.
you're a cable factory basically, but then you focus on automotive products like 15 years ago. Am I correct?
Yeah, yes, correct, yes.
Okay. So you are the factory. You are. Where is the location of the factory then?
We located at Dongguan, Guangdong
Okay, okay,
province, Dongguan city. Yes, yes.
okay. And you are in the factory, right? You are in the showroom of the factory now.
Yeah, we're in the
Okay,
factory, showroom of the factory. Yeah,
okay. I see.
yeah.
Is it far away from here?
Yeah.
The workshop. If the workshop is not too far, then maybe you can show me.
Not far, but the workshop is at the second floor. We
I
are now
see.
in the first floor. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
in
Then
the
forget about
showroom.
this. Forget about this. We focus on the
Yeah,
showroom then.
yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So it's clear. So you make cables and you do automotive products. And okay, maybe you take the chance to show me around what product you have now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we from here.
Yeah. Sure.
Uh, yeah, the anti-static strips
And this that is cheap.
is
I say
very common. Yes,
yes.
and cables, booster cables,
Yes.
yeah, booster cables,
Okay.
and tow rolls,
Yeah, I think the booster.
and
It seems like the booster cable is a very major categories for your production. Is it true that it is your major focus?
we made all all.
Okay. Hey, tell me about this. Tell me about this. If I want to buy a booth cable, I mean, if I'm not a very experienced buyer for this, what I need to be care about, what I need to be careful about, like how can I
Uh,
tell a good supplier to a bad supplier? What make a good supplier for these products?
yes, in the market there's many different kind of booster cable from
Mm-hmm,
different suppliers.
mm-hmm.
The main difference is the quality.
Yeah.
We make the core. You see the core of the cable. The
Mm-hmm.
main point is the most important is we use pure copper,
Pure copper. Huh.
not
Okay.
not aluminium. Because in the market there's some factory or some suppliers they want to make their price competitive.
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to do something on the material.
I got it.
For example, they may use aluminium as the core
Mm-hmm.
uh, or copper mixed with some
Mm-hmm.
aluminium.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yes, it makes the cost is lower, but
Mm-hmm.
not
Yeah.
not
Poor.
efficient and not
Right.
yes
Right. Poor conductivity. This copper is
yes
the best in conductivity. That's what I understood. So is it
yes.
as you say so? It sounds like the material is the major cost of this product. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and pure brass and pure coppers is more expensive than anything with mixed together.
Yes. Sure.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you. That's clear. Yeah, so please continue.
And the coating.
Yeah, the coating. What kind of coating do you
Yes.
use in this product?
Coating. This one mostly is the PVC. PVC
Hmm.
coating. Yeah, but PVC or PVC coating also has some different class. We
Mm-hmm.
have the best one. Yeah. Not
Mm-hmm.
recycle. Not is the it's new material. Not recycled PVC.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so basically you have strong focus on having right material to make the right products. Let's put it this way.
Ah. Yes. Yes.
Good,
Yes.
good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, maybe you can keep on showing me more products then.
Yeah. Yeah. Some cables. Some small cables.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uh, and something like this is also for the automatic.
Oh, what is it for?
With some it's for automatic.
Yeah, and
For
for which
some
function?
no
Like audios
uh
or
yeah, audio and lighting.
audio is lighting. Okay.
Audio and lighting. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
okay. Is it for DIY aftermarket or it is for before market?
It's DIY aftermarket. Yeah.
Okay, I see. Mm-hmm.
DIY. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, and
And
then
here some tailors.
hmm,
Halloween for Halloween. For
mm, yeah, what is for? I don't get it. What is it for?
It's for if you go to camping, you have a caravan follow your car or
Uh huh.
your jeep. You need this to
Oh,
as a connector to
okay.
connect. Yeah.
The camp room, the campsite. They have the campsite on the back.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. I
Yes.
got it. I got it. Huh.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. And here's some normal cables,
Normal cable for how
lighting for
for
lighting. Yeah.
lighting.
For house. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And some cigarette lighter.
Cigarette
Cigarette
lighter.
lighters.
Oh, cigarette lighter
Yeah,
used for
different.
the yeah. Okay, for car. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah, with different style. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We can make it with design or drawing from the customer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you make it in this factory?
Yes,
This product?
yeah, because we have some injection molding machine.
Okay.
We develop the mold and use the injection molding to make it.
Okay. So you have injection machine. You
Yeah.
have the what do you call the cable extrusion machine? You have the coating machine. If I correct.
Yes, 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 yes,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Good. Good.
yeah,
Good. Good.
yeah.
Okay, I see. So yeah, you pretty much now very focused in products wise. You focus on the automotive industry, but you have a little more capability than this product. So if a customer come to you with the design for the products that here, you can do a little bit of OEM for them. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Is it the case normally when your customer go to you, do they have a design or do they want to use your products already?
Actually, most of the product is come with the customer design.
Okay.
Yeah, because we we don't sell our product with our brand name. We we do OEM. So
Mm-hmm.
most of the customer they will bring their design or their drawing and come to us to make.
Okay. Okay, I
Okay.
get it.
Yeah.
I get it. Okay. So, where is your customer from? Are they which country normally?
Most so far most as what we know because uh most of product are sell from some trading company.
Oh.
We have some we have some customer direct to deal with us. Most are from Australia,
Hmm.
uh, United States and some Euro countries.
Yeah. Okay. It sounds like these
Yeah.
three markets is majority of the automotive industry. I get it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you mentioned about
Yeah.
you are dealing a lot with trading company, but some company directly with overseas customer. So is it your what? How do you see you as a factory? Do you prefer to deal with overseas customer or prefer to deal with trader?
Uh, we don't have problem with the trading company, but for sure we really happy to do business directly with some customers from
Yeah,
foreign countries directly. Yeah,
yeah, okay, yeah.
we will yeah
As you are,
because it can
yes, please.
because it can it can easier for us to more to know more about the I mean the customers directly.
Okay, okay, got it. That
Yeah.
makes sense. Okay, thank you very much, Jason, today for your introduction. Thank you for the interview. I hope you have a nice day.
Mm, okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.